Hi everyone, so let's go back to what we were doing. So let's solve a couple of problems. So let's see problem 9. So problem A says if A is a unit in Zn, prove that A is not a zero divisor Alright, so let's prove it. So if something is a unit, then you have there exists an element for which when you multiply that element by that particular choice, then you get 1. Alright, so assume that you have A times X, that A times X is equal to 0. We want to prove that X must be equal to 0. So since A is a unit, there exists a V inside of Zn such that A times V is equal to 1. So then what we do is the following, is that we do A times X times V is equal to V times 0, which is equal to 0. But then you get A times V times X is equal to 0. So therefore, X is equal to 0. All right. So now that is being proven. All right. So let's show the following. For part B, if A is a zero divisor in Zn, Zn, prove that A is not 0, is not a unit, not 0. So let's do that. If A is a zero divisor, then there exists an X such that A times X is equal to 0. So assume that it's not a unit, not a unit. So assume that A is a unit. Then we must get that X is equal to 0, proving that it's not a non-trivial zero divisor by part A. So we must have that A is not a unit, all right? By the above, X is equal to 0, all right? Okay. So using this problem above, we show that every non-zero element of Zn is either a unit or a zero divisor, but not both. Okay, so prove that every non-zero element of Zn is either a unit or a zero divisor, but not both. Not both. Okay. So that being said, let's move on to question 11. We'll move on to question 11 in the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.